Guys, i-disconnect natin yung battery, tapos linisin natin yung throtter body. Sobrang dumi. Oh, oh, sobrang dumi. Yan, sobrang dumi yung throtter body. Tapos ayun, sa kabila, tapos yung connector nya corrosion na connector. Yan, corrosion. Kailangan try natin linisin throtter body ng aero. Yan, check natin guys. Na-disconnect na yung battery. Ito yung throttle body electronic. Nissan X-Trail pala to. Ito yung X-Trail. DIY tayo. Linisin natin. Disconnect pa ito.